One. In the year 1603, King James IV, in the year 1603, King James IV of Scotland came and took the throne of England, came and took the throne of England. Full stop. He was coronated. He was coronated. C-O-R-O-N-A-T-E-D. He was coronated as King James I of England. King James I of England. Full stop. Queen Elizabeth I. Queen Elizabeth I was the last of the Tudor dynasty. Was the last of the Tudor dynasty, and King James I started the Stuart dynasty in England. Stuart, S-T-U-A-R-T. The Stuart dynasty in England. Okay? So what happens basically with the death of Queen Elizabeth I, the famous Tudor dynasty, which was known as the English rulers, okay, started with Henry I, 11th century, and came to an end with the death of Queen Elizabeth I. Okay, and now the Stuarts, who are the cousins of Henry's, has started ruling England now as a Stuart dynasty. Okay. So मैम ये जो इंग्लैंड का जेम्स वन है वो पहले स्कॉटलैंड का था जहाँ उसको जेम्स फोर के नाम से जाना जाता है। वहाँ पे और यहाँ पे रेगुलर बना तो वो जेम्स वन के नाम से। Right? Now major events. Major events. First देखो 1603 coronation of King James I. Coronation of King James I. Next 1605 gunpowder plot. Gunpowder plot. Gunpowder plot. 1611 publication of Bible. Publication of Bible by King James I. By King James I. 1621 Popish plot. P-O-P-I-S-H. Popish plot. 1625 death of King James I. And King James I and his elder son Charles I extended to the throne. Okay? Now, what is gunpowder plot? Basically, right? When Tudor dynasty came to an end and King James I took the throne or he coronated to the throne, then everybody in the England does not accept it. Okay, they did not accept it as a thing. We have given Tudor dynasty, the English rulers are dead now, and someone from the Scotland has came and are taking the throne. Okay, so the problem is English people thought they won't understand our problem and won't be able to rule us properly. So they didn't take King James I as a serious. Okay, so many of the phobias were against King James I, as they were against even Queen Elizabeth I in the beginning. I told you this story. What happened? Because she was the second child and a daughter of a Protestant mother, so people did not accept her. Okay, what they used to think is she is the daughter of the second wife of Henry VIII, so she is not a legitimate son, the legitimate daughter of Henry VIII. ठीक है, उसको accept नहीं किया था because when Queen Mary was dying and she was getting mad in the thirst of blood of everyone who is the higher of the throne. But ultimately, when everyone took that she is dying and she is going mad, then it became compulsory to make Elizabeth there to take the throne. But there were so many plottings and so many people who were against her. They wanted to kill her. Okay, they were bringing so many of the soldiers for her. Okay, let her carry the rule or let her get married to some strong nation like France and Spain. उनमें से किसी के साथ अगर शादी कर लेते हैं प्रिंस ऑफ स्पेन, प्रिंस ऑफ फ्रांस के साथ, तो इंग्लैंड विल बी अ स्ट्रॉन्गर वन. ठीक है, क्योंकि सबको लगता था कि इंग्लैंड दैट रूल द किंगडम इज गेटिंग वीकर. वो चीजें कमजोर होती जा रही है because nobody is there and a lady is ruling the throne, so she won't be capable of managing the thing. But then she said, no, I'm getting married to my nation and I'm not ready to get married to anyone else. So I will dedicate the complete life of mine to my England. She said, I'm the bride of England. That is why उसको बोला जाता है कि virgin. Okay. तो उसने उनको रूल करा. इंग्लैंड को गोल्डन पीरियड से लेकर आई, that is known as the period of Renaissance. इंग्लैंड हाइट पे पहुंचा वहाँ पे because England became the colonizer and it made so many of the colonies during her rule. Even India उसकी colony बन चुका था केवल Elizabeth के rule के अंदर. But the King James I and the same problem was there. He is not the English ruler. He is a Scottish ruler, so he won't be able to understand the problem of the English people. ठीक है, हालांकि it is a united kingdom of Scotland, Ireland and England, but still the people won't accept it. So there are a few courtiers who plotted against him and wanted to kill him. So they plotted, which is known as gunpowder. What they did, they took the gunpowder and उसको पूरा जो उसका पार्लियामेंट था उसके कारपेट के नीचे पूरा बिछा दिया. ठीक है, they put it in the carpet of the whole parliament and especially on the stage where the crown or where the chair, the sofa of that seat of the James I was there from the place where James I used to address the courtiers. तो जिस स्टेज से वो एड्रेस करता था वहां उन्होंने पूरा गन पाउडर डाल दिया, बीच में कर दिया, so that they can blow it from there and he will be dead. Right? But one of the plotters revealed the plot to someone and ultimately it is being revealed. The king and the other courtier and the king has been saved. And one person out of the 4 or 5 plotters he got was named as Guy Fawkes. Write it down that the culprit of one of the culprit public plotter of gunpowder plot had caught seriously and caught by the other ministers and security, the other ministers and security, and ultimately the plot was being discovered. The plot was being discovered before any harm. Before any harm. First off, the king was saved. And the culprit was punished by hanging publicly. By hanging publicly. ठीक है? Guy Fawkes and full stop. Now what happens then? Guy Fawkes was caught. Okay, one of the plotter has been caught and he was asked many times to reveal the name, but he didn't reveal. क्योंकि उसको ये था कि मैं नहीं बताऊंगा तो वो दोबारा कभी प्लॉट करके मार देंगे कि मेरे को पकड़ा गया मार दो. So he didn't reveal any of the name, but he was caught and he was punished publicly. Whosoever will plot against the king will be punished in that way. He has been hanged publicly. ठीक है? People throw stones on him और उसको लटका दिया गया और उसको ठोकर करके उसको किसी भी तरीके से. And now the day is being celebrated as the 31st October को जो आपका Halloween celebrate होता है, that is your this day. ठीक है? And Halloween में क्या होता है? The goodness, the symbol of God being saved and the bad is being punished. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे क्या था कि गाय पॉक्स का पुतला बना के they used to burn, जैसे हम लोग रावण का करते हैं, तो वो लोग गाय पॉक्स का एक स्टैचू बनाते हैं, उसको जला देते हैं. Like we have all the evil spirit and instead save the good one. ठीक है? So that day is celebrated as dash evil got punished and God being saved. And God being saved. ठीक है? इसको किस तरीके से सेलिब्रेट किया गया कि evil को पनिश कर दिया गया और God को सेव कर लिया गया. उसके बाद से किंग जेम्स वन को एक गॉडली इमेज, हेवनली इमेज की तरह लिया गया कि नो ही इज like descendant of the God from the hierarchy of God directly, and he is meant to rule the humanity especially. ठीक है? उनको एक्सेप्ट किया गया कि इसमें तो सुपर पावर है जिसकी वजह से प्लॉट डिस्कवर हुआ और वो कोई नहीं मार सकता. इस तरीके से लेके जेम्स वन को सेट किया. अब नाउ इट बिकम अ रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फॉर जेम्स वन टू कैरी द इमेज. ठीक है? लोगों ने तो चलो मान लिया कि he is in the hierarchy of God or a descendant of God. Now this has become the responsibility of King James I. So he hired a few scholars and then rewrite the Bible. ठीक है? Rewrite the Bible and publish it in 1611, which was known as King James I Bible, and that becomes after that becomes the common book of prayers for the Parliament of England. ठीक है? देखो इस चीज को विस्तार में करके देखो कि देखो यहाँ पे the Bible which King James I published in 1611. The Bible which King James I published in 1611 became the common book of prayers. Became the common book of prayers in the Church of England. In the Church of England, ठीक है? जो मेन चर्च था उसमें कॉमन बुक ऑफ प्रेयर ये इंग्लिश वन की बात. It was नहीं ये वो he also established a library in England. He established a library in England for the scholars. He established a library in England for the scholars. Which is even now the biggest library and known as King James I Library. And known as King James I's Library, public Royal Library, public Royal Library of England. ठीक है, उन्होंने ठीक है. Now एक और इसका नाम करके लिखो. He appointed Ben Jonson as a court poet, and started giving him the royal pension. Royal pension. Full stop. In that way, Ben Jonson became the first unofficial poet laureate of England. Unofficial poet laureate of England. First unofficial poet laureate of England. ठीक है? Full stop. Now this is the basic history. Okay, that is the history till 1625. Now, put the title Cavalier period. Cavalier or Caroline period. ठीक है, 1642. The eldest son of King James I ascended to the throne in 1625 after the death of King James I, and this was the period when the Popish plot converted into the 30-year royal war, 30-year civil war. Write down. During this period, the Popish plot converted into the 30-year civil war. 30-year civil war of this time, which was against King Charles I and his general conduct toward the kingdom. Okay? Now basically King Charles I did nothing much for the kingdom. He was generally ruler and was spending money for his luxury and leisure, was not concerned about the kingdom, was not doing any kind of tribute to save the country. He was not doing any kind of meetings with the neighboring countries to save the country, and he was just a spendthrift, was spending money on his pleasure. So at at that time, what happened is around 1630s, Puritans are coming into the power. Okay, and Puritans are coming into the power. They have made their own political party and were started dominating the churches of England. Okay, so they revolted against the kingship and ultimately charged him for his illegitimate relationship for treasure. Treacherous is betraying the countries in some way. So he has been charged for treasure, and then the case of King Charles I was put into the court of Scotland because they are from Scotland. So the case was there in the Parliament of Scotland only. ये वहीं से आए थे जेम्स कोर्ट के, तो इनका केस भी वहीं जाता है कि भाई आपके फादर ने जो उनका फादर है he was not well with the country, so we don't want him to be the king. We cannot accept it. So his case was there in Scotland, and at that time Puritan came in power during the reign or during the rule of King Charles I. King Charles I, Puritan came into the power and established their own political party. First off, they revolted against the king.